Hello guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to blend and combine photos in Canva. So if you're interested, let's get started. So the first thing we need to do here is we need to go to canva.com and create a new project. In this case, at the top right of your screen, go ahead and click on create design and choose whatever option here. In this case, we'll be using the presentation or 16 by 9 here. Now what we need to do next is we need to start adding the photos that we want to actually use. In this case, we want to use a sample image here, but in this case, you just need to upload your photos in the upload section here. But in this case, I'll be using these photos here. In this case, let's go ahead and add our first photo here, and let's sure that we actually have it expanded or fill out the whole screen here. Now, next thing that we want to do is we want to add a gradient. Now, in this case, go to the search elements here, just type in gradient. And from here, just press on enter. And in this case, you need to look for something that is actually that would actually fit our aesthetic here. In this case, we want to have a white background on it, so something similar to this one. But currently, this is for pro users only. So in this case, I actually have my own photo that I actually made. But if you're using the pro version, you could go ahead and start using this one. But I actually have my own here. In this case, let's go ahead and drag our asset here and make sure that it actually fills out the whole screen. Now in this case, just some notes here, make sure that the gradient here actually fills out the half of the photo that you have. Now in this case, let's go ahead and go to the second photo that we have and upload it in here. Now in this case, let's go to the photos section here and upload it in here. And it says, let's go ahead and make sure that it actually fills up. And again, let's just upload or add our gradient here. In this case, instead of adding it as is, we need to rotate this one or flip the current option or photo here. In this case, you could go ahead and select this one and just rotate it 180 degrees and make sure that you actually fill it up. Now in this case, once you filled it up, we are now ready to start adding or combining these two photos. Now to do that, we first have to click on share at the top right here and choose the option that says download. Now from here, choose the PNG option here, and from here just click on download and your download should start. Now once your download is completed, we want to go ahead and open it up, and from here what we need to do is we need to open up the zip file that we have. Let's go ahead and double click on it so that we'll be able to open it, and from here copy your PNG file, click on copy, paste it anywhere that any location you have, and from here just upload it into Canva again. Now in this case, since we now have our photos, we are now ready to create our combined photos. In this case, I would suggest you to first add the photo that is actually quite has like less colors on it. And in this case, once you've done that, you could go ahead and start adding your second photo here and make sure that it actually fills up the whole screen. Now, the reason why I actually suggest you to add these or basically add the more colorful one at the very top, because we'll be adjusting a few things, like for example the transparency here. So whenever we actually reduce the transparency, as you can see, these two photos now bleed into each other, which in this case give us the illusion that we've combined these two photos. But in this case, that's how you combine or blend two photos on Canva, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan app. Thank you for watching.